For today's tip, we will be looking at the measure tool. So the first thing I've done, I have loaded a document into our 2D viewer, and I've set the scale. Just like with any other drawing, you must have a scale set in order to pull measurements. So to pull a measurement, you will use the measure tool located in the toolbar. Simply click the measure tool. Once that's clicked, you will notice we go into the draw mode, and now we can actually start pulling measurements. So the first thing I'm going to do is check our scale on our document. So I will go to our dimension lines and actually click once. After you've made your first click and you start pulling, you'll notice that it's just like drawing a line. Down in the bottom right of the document, you can see the measurement moving real time as you go across. Once you get to your endpoint, simply click again, and you have now pulled your measurement, and the measurement that you've pulled will remain in the bottom right until you either cancel your measurement command or you pull another measurement. So now that we've gone in and done our measurements, we can actually come in and start pulling some information. Maybe we want to check window openings. We can click, pull, and click again in order to get our window opening measurement. You can go pull and verify your door openings. And each time you do it, it will lock that in until you start your next one. Once you're done pulling measurements, you can simply hit the escape key or go and select something from your palette and start drawing. And with that, you now have the measure tool to be able to verify your measurement.